This video will show you how to format your hard drive at the local interface of your Elite Recorder. So let's go ahead and get started. Right-click at the local interface and select Main Menu. Now select Storage. Then HDD Manage. Now if you have a hard drive installed in your recorder, it'll list right here. So just go ahead and check the box and then select Format. Select OK, and then Apply. Once you select Apply, it'll ask you to reboot the recorder. Go ahead and do so, and once it comes back on, the hard drive will now be formatted. Thank you for watching.